Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing project Meal Finder. So in this we are going to make this beautiful amazing meal finding website using HTML, CSS and jQuery, and with the help of this website. So from this website we'll get all the data from it. So here you can see that here total 302 meals are there and total ingredients and images in this website. So we are going to use this website in our website. So let's search for an item. So here the many items are there. So first we'll try this fish soup. So when I go and I'll search, I'll get the fish soup title, and here the image, and here the ingredients, which you can see here the ingredients. So let's search for another thing. So if I search for chicken, so when I search it, so I'll get all the results related to chicken. So let's search another recipe, that is cabbage soup or bread omelette. So we'll search bread omelette. So we'll copy paste it here and we'll search. So here we'll get the bread omelette. Then we'll go for another potato salad. So we'll search here and we'll paste it here and we'll get the potato salad recipe. So you can see that it's looking fine and working properly. So let's come to our VS Code. So before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So let's start with the HTML file. So in HTML file we have a linked our font asm CDN for icons, and then we have the title meal finder, and then we have linked our CSS file. Then after that we have linked our font family. Then in our body tag we have a div with class container, and in this div we have a h1 tag. So in h1 tag we have written find your meal, which you can see here, find your meal. Now here we have an input tag, and type should be text, and id search, and placeholder search for recipe. Then here we have a button id search button, and we have a search icon. Then we have another div with id result, so here it will show the result. Then here we have a jQuery link, and then here we have a JavaScript link. So here the script.js or JavaScript file we have link, and here jQuery CDN link. Then come for our CSS. Here in CSS file we have a body tag. In body tag we have a font family, poppins and sans serif, and a beautiful linear gradient for our website, which you can see here. And then we have a container. In this container we have a maximum width 800 pixel, margin 0 and above, and then we have a padding 20 pixel. Then for our h1 tag, text align center and color white, which you can see here, text align center and color white. Then for our search id we have a width 60%, padding 10 pixel, margin left 8 rem, border none, and border radius 5 pixel. Then a beautiful box shadow and outline none, and font size 1.3 rem for our search box. Then for the search button we have a padding 10 pixel, border none, background color code, and we have a margin left 0.3 rem, and we have a beautiful color for the text, and if we have a cursor pointer and border radius 5 pixel, and we have a beautiful box shadow, and we have beautiful font size for our icon. So here it will go for now hovering effect. So when you hover on it, the background color changes to this color code, and its size will increase to 1.1. Then we have a content class. In this content we have a background gradient color, and we have margin left 1 rem. So which you can see that our beautiful container, and then we have a result. For result we have a display flex and flex wrap and position absolute and margin top, and then we have taken the padding 0 and 1 rem. So now we have a ingredient class. For the ingredient class we have a color of the text is this, which you can see here, the ingredients color text. Then we have a h2 tag. In this we have a text white, which you can see here, the h2 tag potato salad. So this h2 tag is in our JavaScript file, we'll see soon. Then for our meal class we have a display flex, and meal paragraph we have a position relative, we have a color of the text, and then we have a text align justify, and margin left 3 rem, margin right 1 rem, which you can see here. Then for image we have a position relative with 20% and a border radius 4 rem, so which you can see in our image. And then for responsiveness, for small devices we have taken width 60%, margin left 3 rem. Then for our meal class we have flex direction column, and for our paragraph we have align item center, text align justify, the beautiful color gradient, and we have a padding 1 rem and margin left 1 rem. For image we have a 70% width and margin left 3 rem and margin bottom 1 rem. For our child we have a background image none. So when you go for small devices, so you can see that it's looking fine. So it is fully responsive for our small devices also. So now come for our JavaScript file. So here we are using jQuery, so it made our JavaScript code very less and easy to write. So here first of all we have written document.ready function. So here waiting for the document to be fully loaded before executing JavaScript code. So then we have attached the click event listener to the search button. Then here we have a getting the search term from the input field. Whatever we will type in our input field, that value will get in our search text. Then here we have a making a AJAX request from the MealDB API. Then here we have a URL with a given search text. So whatever search text here will type in our input, that value will be placed to here, and we will go to the JSON file and we will fetch the data. Then here we have a type get, so it will get the request type, the get, it will get the data, and data type will be JSON. So whatever the data we will store in our website, that it will be in JSON file. So then if our search data is success, then we have a output. So first of all, we have store our output in empty string. Then for the meals, we have a data.meals. So it will get the meals data from the JSON file, and it will iterate over the all the meals related to that keyword, whatever the keyword we have searched. Then after getting the meal object, it will place the heading of that meal in s2 tag. Then in the div with meal class, we have an image. So str meal thumbnail. So whatever the meal image will be there, it will get from the JSON and it will attach to here. If it will not generate image, then it will write the meal image name. So here we have a div with class content. So in this we have a ingredient, and we have a another p tag, and in this what are the instruction for the making our meal, it will be in our ingredient section. Then the result id. So here we have a result id. So in this result id, our output will be display and replace the result container with the generated html. Then here you can see that the two type of things will be here. So first of all, if our data is success, if it is not success, then it will catch the error. So if any error will be getting, then it will alert error retrieving data. So that's it for our JavaScript using jQuery, and we can search here our meal related to this website. Here total meal available 302. So you can come and search here and you will get the given data. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video with a new amazing project. Thank you.